To all of you. First of all, I would like to, on behalf of all my musicians and my son, I would like to convey our deepest regards, pranams to all elders who are here and all to all our friends and youngsters. A big hello and lots of love and good wishes to all of you. It's an honor and pleasure to come back to Raleigh after quite a few years, I think. I've been here since the time when I used to travel with my father, and I have people who are like family for a very, very long time. Of course, Anand, Koshita, and so many of you. So I'm sorry if I can't see some of you. So I welcome you, a very special namaskar and welcome to all of you. This concert is very special for many, many reasons, but the primary most reason is Rishit being here with me. I still have very vivid memories of being in his place and Baba being there on the center stage. So from there to this, it feels like, as they say, life comes full circle. And the mother is supremely nervous. The teacher wants to have faith and trust in the student. And for today's concert, till the time he finishes his solo part, I've forgotten that it's also my concert. So you all have to help me remind myself that it's also my performance somewhere down the line. But I don't have words to thank you all for being so gracious. First of all, the organization, I want to thank everyone, every one of you, for being so gracious and kind and for allowing this very special evening to happen for us and for me especially. Because before he starts and before we start the musical journey, I just want to say one thing. He's not on stage because he's the most gifted child coming from Indian classical music tradition. No. There are so many supremely gifted, very, very, very bright students in India who are learning Indian classical music, who has the promise to serve the art form and to have all your blessings in the years to come. He is first of all blessed, as I was, because he comes from a family that already had the blessings and love from all of you. So that paves the way, which is a supremely huge gift for someone. And secondly, the very greedy parents and grandparents that we can't just let go of the opportunity of having all of your blessings for him to pave his way, to inspire him, to tell him that it's sometimes okay to make mistakes, but it's more important to love the tradition, the legacy, the art form, and the very core of who we are, which I believe in our family music has taught us. So thank you again for being my strongest source of blessings and inspiration, and I just can wish and pray and hope that you will continue to bless our family, each and every one of us, and will have your, वो जो सर पे हाथ होता है ना, इसके सर पे आपका हाथ रहे, यही मेरी ख्वाहिश है, मेरी विनती है. And when I say Meri, I speak on behalf of my entire family, my husband Partho, and my parents, my grandparents, my in-laws, the entire family. In a way, they are all with us, blessing him and thanking all of you. Thank you so much. We will start today's performance.